Hi everyone, this is Simply Stitch 888 and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you this tutorial for this simple shrug. Actually it was a show, but I just made it as a shrug, and it's really easy to make, and all you have to do is just use this Homespun yarn or RedHeart Light&Lofty. Yeah, so if you want to try this simple shrug, just watch
here
this
are
things that we're gonna need in making the shrug or Bolero: size K hook, tapestry needle, button, scissors, tape measure, and also this Light&Lofty from RedHeart yarns. So that's it. So let's start off with our basic slip knot. Okay, the size that I'm going to do is for size large to XL. I'm using size K hook. We're going to chain 4 to 6. So make sure your stitches are not too tight and not too loose. So just a average stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So make a chain of 46. So now I'm back here. I already have a chain of 46. So now we're going to make a double crochet on the 6th chain from the hook. So we're going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we're going to put our double crochet. So yarn over, put your hook on the 6th chain from the hook, then yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2, and then chain 1. Okay, so this 6th chain here will stand for the first double crochet in chain 1. Okay, so we're going to make a double crochet in every other stitch. So we're going to skip this next chain, the next stitch, and then we're going to put the next double crochet on this chain. So yarn over, put our hook on that other stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then chain 1. Always make sure that you have the chain 1 because this is the space. Okay, then we're just going to repeat the same pattern until we get to the beginning chain. So I'm just going to show you again. So just skip the next stitch and go to the other stitch. Okay, so you can just see the stitches by through touching this each chain here, so it's not too hard to find the stitches. Chain 1. Okay, so this is just the same pattern we're going through for this row 1. So do a double crochet in every other stitch. Just skip a stitch, and then on the other stitch double crochet, and then chain 1 until you get to the beginning chain. Okay, so I'm back now with the last double crochet. I'm just going to make this last double crochet here at this beginning chain. Okay, then we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to turn our work. Then we're going to make a double crochet on this next stitch. So it's not on top of this double crochet, so it's before the double crochet. There's a chain here. So remember, this is the chain 1 that we're making. So we're just going to make a double crochet on that stitch. Okay, so yarn over, pull it through, and then chain 1 again. So this is our second row. So we're just going to do the same pattern as what we do on this first row. So every turn you have to chain 4 at the corner, and then do a double crochet to the next stitch, and then chain 1. So I'm going to show you again. So we have a chain 1 here. So we're going to make a double crochet again on the next we're going to skip this stitch here, and we're going to put our double crochet on the other stitch. So you can easily find it because it's before this double crochet, it's in here. So this is the chain one that we are making. Okay, so you're just going to put your hook in there, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 2, and then chain 1. So this would be the pattern that we're making. So it's really easy. So all you have to do is just keep doing the same pattern as what you did on the first row. Double crochet, chain 1, and then skip a chain, skip a stitch, and then double crochet again, skip here and then here. So this, you can really see this chain 1 space because it's before this double crochet, so it's easy to find. Okay, so you just do this the same pattern until you have a row 58 rows. Okay, so that's about 47 inches, I think. So you have to measure your work. So when you get to until 58 rows, and I'm just going to show you quickly this whenever you are in the very end corner, so you're just going to put your you're going to place your double crochet at the very corner of that chain here. That's why we make chain 4. So put the double crochet at the top of the chain 3, because chain 1 here is the space for here. So you're going to put your double crochet at the very corner, so your work will be even side to side. Okay, so that's how you make it. And then chain 4 again, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then turn your work. So I'm just going to show you what you the piece, this work would look like. So it's supposed to be, should be like this. Okay, so this would be your work. So you have to make it longer. I mean, just do is 58 rows or 47 inches. So you have to measure your work. So until you have that. So I'm just going to show you what you do after you already have 47 inches long with your work and 58 rows of double crochet, and you just have to fold it both sides. You're going to measure it for 8 inches for both sides folded, because we're going to make the armholes for this bottom part. So this would be the bottom part, and then you're going to sew it together, the corner part, and then here. Okay, so sew it together for both, so it would be so it would hold together for there. So this is size large to XL. I use size K hook in here. If you're going to make size double XL to triple XL, bigger sizes, you can use a bigger sizes hook or add more rounds. Just try it on as you go with the stitches. And yeah, so this part would be 8 inches folded for size large to XL. For the size XL to double XL to triple XL would be like around 10 for both, 10 inches folded. And this would be the back part. So as you were wondering, how would this be a shrug, or how would this look like a shrug? So we are going to put it on, try this. We're going to fold this for the collar. We're making the collar. This is the upper part. holding like that, and fold it like this. So as I've said, this is a shawl, but I make it a shrug. So it would be look like a shrug if you going to place your arms here on this holes, the armholes that we put in make here, because we already sew it together. So that would be, that's how it should be. So you can also put a string here to close it in front, or you can put a button so it's easy to close it. I just make it like this. So this part here would be 2 armholes, okay, and then that would be the color. You can also sew it here if you wanted to, or you know, it's up to you. So that's how we make this simple shrug, and I hope you like it. It's very easy, and it's really warm when you wear it because of the yarn that we used here. So that's it. So I hope you like it. Thank you very much. And I just want to show you how to wear the shrug. So you're just going to hold it like this, and this would be the collar part. We will just going to fold it like that, and this is the one that we sewed together for the armhole. So you're just going to put your arms over there, and the other one in here, and then you're just going to fix the collar. Just fold it like that and fix it. And you can also put string or button here to close it, close the front. So that's it. This is the easy and simple shrug that I share with you. So I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.